Okay. Alright. Okay, this is the one. So embarrassing. As busy moms, we all know how important it is that our feminine products do their job well. I was horrified when the nurses gave me a supply of big, bulky pads. I've never seen pads so big in my life, and boy, were they ever uncomfortable. While I was pregnant with my fourth baby, someone recommended Always Infinity pads to me. These revolutionary pads are super thin, but offer even better protection than those bulky hospital pads. And the best part, Always Infinity pads also have other uses for moms of preschoolers.